Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to sign out from HBO Max account on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, of course here you just have to open your HBO Max applications. And now if you wanna sign off from your account at this HBO Max application, you just have to go to your profile at the top right in the corner of your screen like this. Now simply at the bottom we'll find out the sign out options here guys. Just tap on it like this and now choose this yes sign out. And you have to wait for a second. It will look like this. So if you want to use your account again on this HBO Max, you just have to sign in again to your account here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to sign out from HBO Max account on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.